The site editor inside of Gratis gives you basically unlimited possibilities to customize your own store for claims, mints, and overview sites. So if you want to create a page like this, let's just walk through this, like what do I need to do in order to add my specific content to it. So you go and open your site editor. You can do that by clicking on the button in the top right. And the first thing you gotta do is you gotta choose a theme. We're gonna go with something dark for this time. Now what you can do is you can always customize any of the colors in here. So let's do that really quick. Right, so I'm gonna go ahead and let's say I'm gonna grab a different background color for my theme. And I'm gonna go ahead and pop that in. And then I also wanna have like another text color for all of my items and also a new primary color. So you can see as easy as copy and pasting inside of our theme colors. And then I can also go out of my theme colors and customize other things like fonts, etc. But first let's add a little bit of content to this. So first I want to add a header. And we're going to call this Gabba's Tool Chat. I don't really need a description here, so let's remove that for now. So, well, that looks kind of nice already, but let's add a background image. So I'm just going to select the element by clicking on it, the background here, and I'm going to go ahead and let's pop in a background image. So what do we got? I'm going to choose the header here and pop that right in here. And so now we got an awesome header image. Okay, great. Now I definitely want some custom fonts in here, so I can just go exit the individual editor and go here into my fonts, and I can add any custom Google font. So let's just add faster. I think that's gonna go good with the vibe. Select the regular option and just add it in. And now let's, here on the top, I can assign it to the body or the display, wherever I want. I'm just gonna go with my display fonts for now. I could also make it the entire body so we have it everywhere. Maybe that's a good place to start it. And then I have like specific headings, so I can just go ahead here and I want to have that font for this heading here. So I select my heading, I go to my font tab, and I'm just going to select the plaster option. There we go. Now we have our custom, better looking font. I can obviously also change the favicon. I can do that by going to the global settings here and just change the favicon. So I'm going to replace that with my logo. And you can do it for variants on dark and white backgrounds if you want to. And pop that in. All of that is nice, but I think I do want a little bit more additional content about one of the upcoming updates. I'm going to add a content block and I'm going to add an image here. Let's select our Celestial update. I'm going to call this is the Odyssey update version 1.5. And add some content here. I can do lots with these elements that I'm adding as a content block. I could, for example, go here, select it, go into the layout tab and decide I would rather have this look vertical, right? I can also do the entire alignment of my text to any of my stylings that I wish. For now, I'm going to keep it at horizontal and make sure it's centered. I can do a lot more changes, like not only can I change the layout and the spacing of the layout, but I can also change the individual font sizes that I want, as well as sort of the text align of the entire object. There are many changes that you can look through here. The easiest way is just to familiarize yourself by going through the options and design what you could. It should be basically limitless, and if any features are missing, we're always welcome to receive a feature request. Now if I go ahead and publish my changes, my site is published, and if we go back to my site here, I'm going to just actually preview what we've just done. So there we go. Now we got our Odyssey update version 1 and we got a first screen. And this is how you customize your Mint site on Gratis.